am with my good friend Mac, his little boy Cal.
Callan, hey, no crying.
We were gonna go to dinner. We decided we're gonna make dinner at home. This is everybody loves a kid in the kitchen. All right.
This is true.
So here we go. We're just salt and peppering some chicken thighs. We are now cast iron grilling. We got olive oil in the pan. We got butter. Why wouldn't we?
It's a must.
It's a must.
And all
If I can do this in one hand, you can do this with two hands. So make it easy on yourselves. Don't have a baby with you. All right, Cal, how are we gonna do this? I gotta put the kid down for a second.
Cal, you're on the floor.
Have a seat.
Watch and learn, son.
There you go. Olive oil, butter, chicken thighs. If you want chicken breast, fucking use chicken breast.
Oh yeah.
The pan should probably be a little bit hotter, which I'm gonna turn up right now. Because what the plan is right now is just to brown these a little bit on either side, cook them like 3/4 of the way, maybe halfway through. And then I'm gonna add the sauce and we're gonna cook them all the way through. So don't worry, no one's gonna get sick from any of them. Okay, these are browning, which is what we want. The butter is gonna help it brown. There's obviously a little water coming off from the chicken itself. But again, we're gonna cook these through about halfway. Cast iron skillet. If you have one, use it. Great conductor of heat. It works really, really well. It spreads out the heat, which is what I want. If not, use whatever you got. These are halfway or a little bit more done. I'm just gonna pull them out.
Are we looking for like a darkness on the meat here, or are we just kind of?
If you get a little brown on it, the butter's going to help with that. Fortunately, the water that was in the chicken kind of made it a little soupy.
So we're not worried about these being cooked all the way through.
Not right now. Fresh garlic. Good Italian boy.
It's a must.
Good kitchen knives. Really, really important. So you don't have to buy a whole set, just a couple. Also with garlic, browns and cooks really quickly. You don't want to leave it in there too long. So I turn the heat down. Every good Italian kitchen's got a wooden spoon. I made this over the summer. You've seen it. Fresh sauce in the pan. That bottle of wine's empty. All right, so let's do this the old-fashioned way. And a glass.
Thank you, buddy.
Don't worry, we will open more wine. I'm gonna add a little basil to this. Once this gets up to a little bit of temperature, after adding the sauce, it's gonna get it up. I'll put the chicken back in, and I'm either gonna leave it on the stove top or put it in the oven. We'll see, I haven't decided yet, so that's it. So the sauce is simmering a little bit. Got a little calabrese and pepper in there, get a little heat. And now we're just gonna put this back in. I'm just gonna leave it on the stove top. We're gonna let all that sauce cook and reduce, and that chicken.
Are we wanting the sauce to simmer here?
Oh yeah, you want it to simmer? But I want it to reduce, right? So I want to get that intensity, the tomatoes, all of this is gonna go in, all of it's gonna be.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Turn it up a little bit and walk away. Just drink your wine and walk away and walk away. Okay. There we go.
Thank you. Good job, Cal.
I love all the radishes. They're so bite-sized, Cal.
We got to make sure we get full radishes in here.
Not me.
Okay, okay.
This is what we want. See? This
Look at that
is
goodness.
what we want. That's what we want. We got all reduced. This is done. Turn that off.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Here we go.
The boy's ready.
Apple. Okay.
Oh, you got to bring the apple. Got to bring the apple.
That's a little polenta. Measuring is not my thing, so yeah, we'll give it a try.
Yeah, that feels good.
See, it feels good, exactly. All right, just follow the instructions on the bag. It's pretty simple. Polenta's done. Adding some butter. You gotta add butter. You really do. Okay. I'm gonna grate this up.
Liquid gold.
Tell me when to stop, Carly.
Just keep going.
Tell me when to stop.
A little bit more.
No, it's got a lot more. This
A lot more.
Half the stick has got to get in there. It's got to go crazy. The butter is vitally important, so you've got to add the butter.
Should we do the whole block?
Is that enough?
A little bit more.
I think so.
Just a little bit more. Make it rain.
Make it rain, she says. Okay. Look at that. I mean, that alone is a meal.
Then you fold it in.
And I fold it in. Does it look like enough cheese?
A little bit more.
Of course.
That with this.
Give it a second. So this is my love language. I told you that in the first video. I'm cooking for three of my favorite people in the whole wide world, and I couldn't be happier. So do it for your loved ones. We're gonna serve this up. Ready for that? Okay, here we go. Cheesy ass polenta. I don't know, what do you want to call this? Chicken thighs with kick-ass
With kick-ass.
marinara sauce of some kind?
Get that sauce.
There we go. Bottom of the bowl. Hey Carly, what do you think about a little more cheese?
Just a little more cheese. I think we need to make it snow. It's the holidays.
Cheese.
Centigrade.
What's my typical line, Mac?
What do we want, the cheese pull?
Oh yeah, you want this. Oh yeah.
Make it Italian.
Please sit. All right, let's eat.